Is there a GPT that will write an outro to a video that recaps, creates engagement, or directs viewers to more of your content? Continuing our journey in YouTube automation, today I'm showcasing the YouTube outro writer found in the GPT store. This tool is about creating powerful endings that resonate with your audience and strengthen your brand. So looking at the YouTube outro generator, the main role is that it can create an engaging outro for your video. Now, the overview suggests that it's about creating viewer engagement. You want people to like and subscribe, to do comments. Maybe you want them to click on an end card and go to one of your other videos. Like the previous agent, the outro creator has a configure command where you can put the capability that you want to see within the outro. And the main ones that I like to use is a call to action, maybe like and subscribe. I definitely like to do a recap of the video and have some sort of video end card that people can click on to go to related content. And you can do that all through the configuration before you worry about creating the outro. We'll come over to the GPTs and we'll click on the Tube Outro Writer, craft engaging outros for YouTube videos based on summaries and settings. And we can have a look at what commands we've got available. And we can do a configuration, create an outro, or look at the capabilities. And we'll just run that one command. We're not going to give it any input. We'll just see what it comes up with. So we have a pretty extensive list, call to actions, end cards, and you could configure each of these pieces of information, but we'll go for something quite simple. We'll just go brevity and thanks. So I put in config with brevity, thanks with like and subscribe. I also added a configuration for AppyCast. At this point, we can just do a create and do a paste. And what I've done is, like before, I've included the title of the video and then the full transcript in this case. You can do it with both transcripts and summaries. I find for this one, I like to do the full transcript. So it's gone through and created everything that we wanted. I will read it in a moment, but what I'd like it to do is just the script. In this case, it's also given a few extra instructions that could be useful for the video editor, but I just want to read it. So what we got was, that's a wrap on our scripting adventure with Shell Script Helper, so it understands the context of the video. Big thanks for joining us on this journey to simplify shell scripting with GPT technology. If you loved diving into the tech with us, show your support by hitting the like and subscribe to AppyCast. So this is basically following the guidelines that we did when we configured the capabilities. Thank you for joining me in this look at one of the GPTs I use to streamline content creation on YouTube. To dive deeper and discover how I leverage a GPT swarm targeting YouTube automation, check out my detailed video, 7 GPTs to Automate YouTube Influence in 2024. Just click the link on the screen or in the description. If you are interested in more innovative AI tools for YouTube, don't miss out on my Custom GPTs playlist where I showcase a variety of GPT-powered solutions. I'm Appy Dave. Thank you for watching.